Oh my gosh.
Ah! So cute!
Still alive.
Yeah, it's still alive, but we need something.
Water? Water?
Water. Water.
Show me. What's that? That's what we call. Wala, that's colorful fish, no?
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah, but.
So today, little bit strong wind. That's why not too hot. We are so lucky. Wow. Oh, sure. Crab. Yeah. I want your fin. Fin. I need fins.
I want.
I have only goggle.
Come. So we can prepare the food here.
Very nice.
Really?
Oh, fish!
Oh, very cool. Nice.
Over there.
There is a lot of cave here. Lee,
Oh,
there is a lot of cave. I've been that one in the middle. Jay, ganito ito no? Nagkabot nyo. Oo. Kan ko na mga
maraming kayo.
Lame? Yeah, I
Yummy.
like it because it's sweet. And then... Oo. Diri, pwede ro. Diba kaya na yun?
This is rice.
Ha? Ang lipat na okay rin.
I'm so happy.
Di ba? No, this is nice. Oh my God.
So what's this?
Chicharon.
Lechang.
Chicharon.
Chicharron.
Ay, pwede na vinegar.
Mmm.
Good, right?
Daming
Dapat taghamok na itong kinilaw.
kayo. Tada!
No, alam mo, advice sa'yo, wala na sila sigarilyo. Pero kung ito, pinaitom eh.
I need remove skin.
Mga alas, umana mo, Bris, mga alas 8, ari oh. Tawin kami ako yan. Di ba ako nangingitas ako may didili sa Facebook na personal? Tag-block. Ano oh.
I saw the first time Kinirao cooking.
Ayan oh, tawin-tawin. Di ba
I
dahil
never
suga?
seen.
Jami suga sa tawin-tawin tanong ah.
Lando.
Or Junjun.
Lando.
Cheers.
Or Junial.
Tagay?
Yeah,
Tagay?
Tagay.
Tagay.
Aga ba yun?
Eh. So arot.
So alat ko niya. Why do you put alat?
Because...
Naribi ko pa rin oh. Gusto mo? Pamako na sila sa area.
Sila na isla din.
Kinirao.
Kinina, very big.
I love Kinirao, but I never seen how to make.
Mm. Yeah, you need something like that. All the
Gamadan ka natin bitching ibay magabok kaya talawas.
Finally!
Ay, teka. Why it's oily my phone? Ko na ini ano pa?
Kinirao.
Binisaya ko eh. I love the sweet potato. Yeah.
Ano ba yan eh?
Kamote.
Kamote.
Yeah.
Mama, kinina, what's
So kamote is kamote, sorry. I
Yeah. Kamotis is different. It's I don't know why people call kamotis.
Oh.
Basa naman ka dito.
Yeah, Camotes. Camote.
Yeah, Camote. It's Camotes Island. I never been that place.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why I'm not go there. Hubog, magkuktaman na
Today we ate ceviche.
Yeah, kanya lang.
Camote.
I love the Camote. It's so good, no?
Yes.
Dumaga
This is so
sa...
sweet. Camotes. So we go back in Siargao Mainland. Still low tide, but too hot. Wow! Yeah, I think 40 degrees, 38, 30, 45. I'm so tired. Finally, we go back. Siargao Mainland. I don't know. Return is too far.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life